Hello, kids. Today we're gonna be working on the vocabulary for math. We already do this assignment, so you're not gonna have any trouble doing it. It's gonna be vocabulary. So we begin with the addition, and you know the sign for addition is this one. All together is the same thing as an addition. Behind, okay, between, another word, between. You see, between. You need to look at between. Counting back is when you count from the biggest to the lowest. Counting on is when you count correctly from the lowest to the biggest. Difference. Difference is another word for subtraction. Do you see this line? Subtraction is the same word as difference. Equals is the word for all. Okay, all the same, all the amount is equals to. Like 6 plus 5 equals 11. How many in all is another word for addition. You need to know how many in all. Okay. Another word. Minus. Minus is the same as minus. Plus, subtract, addition. Minus is subtraction. Remainder is the same as equal. Sum, another word. Sum for addition. The sum of two numbers. Okay? Right here, let's do this word together. 3 plus 4 equals. Okay, Kevin has 4. He earned. Earn means he got 3 more. How many did Kevin earn? In all. They want to know how many in all. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. So 7 is how many Kevin earned. Okay.